Hey, what's up? It's Chris here, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a bowling shirt. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the collar. So we're going to come down. And we're going to draw a line here. Stop here. That's one sleeve. Here's another sleeve. Here is the shirt. Now, draw another line here and another line here. I'm going to draw a button, a button, a button, a button, and a button. Now, the thing about bowling shirts is they usually are two different colors. So we're going to use this to fill in. We're going to color this one bar this color, and we're going to do the same thing to the other one. Now with the fill-ins, you want to get as close as you can to the lines without going over the lines. And when you fill it in, you're giving it that depth and color. See? Nice. And you do the same thing on this side. Get as close to the edge without going over the line. And if you do make a mistake, erase it and continue. That's the way it goes. I'll get as close as I can. Like doing an outline, like a box, and just filling it in. And there you have it. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go bowling. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw a bowling shirt.